FLIK Original Middle Finger Light. Give the bird and wave to drivers. Hottest gifted car accessories, truck accessories, car gadgets and road rage signs for men, women, and teens. Funny back window sign. Remote controlled with the click of a button, you can communicate driver feedback in a safe and hilarious way. The FLIK replaces dangerous driver communication like brake checking, yelling, etc. Amber yellow and non-flashing lights make the FLIK legal in most U.S. states. The first car and truck accessory that helps diffuse road rage while making driving fun. The FLIK light automatically adjusts to be bright during the day and dim at night, the perfect funny gift for those with road rage and love cool car electronics. Easily and securely mount the FLIK and its remote with the included adhesive Velcro strips. The hand light attaches to the interior back window while the remote attaches safely to the dashboard or to your keychain. FLIK Hand Unit and remote batteries included with attached 3M Velcro adhesive strips.